Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Ocho Rios. We are by the Ocho Rios bypass and we're going to give you a tour of a new commercial complex being built in Ocho Rios. Now to the right of us is the new Fesco gas station and the plaza, Fesco Plaza. To the left of us is the Ocean View Mall. And then straight ahead is where they're building a new commercial complex. We don't have much details on this development, but if anybody has any information, you can leave it in the comment section below. But it looks like a 3-story building, 2 towers at 3 floors each, and you access it from the Ocho Rios bypass. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if anybody has any information on this development, let us know and we'll include it in future videos. Today we're just giving you a quick tour as to what's happening out here. Alright guys, have a good day.